Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the U.S. Embassy here in Thailand. And there's been a recent announcement. I received it as an automated email that came out in correspondence between myself on a case here in the office and USCIS Bangkok. In that automated response, the following quotation was made. Please be informed that our office is permanently closing on December 31, 2019. The last day that we will accept applications and petitions and be open to the public is October 18, 2019. After October 18, we will only respond to email inquiries that relate to a case that is currently pending with our office. After October 18, the embassy in Bangkok will assume responsibility for some services, note that, I'll get back to that in a minute, previously provided by USCIS to individuals residing in Thailand. Please see the chart below for more details. And in that chart, they notice service/form, form I-130, petition for alien relative. File your petition by mail with the USCIS lockbox facility in Dallas. You can find additional filing information on the I-130 on the form I-130 webpage. Quoting further, USCIS may authorize the Department of State to accept a petition filed with the U.S. Embassy or Consulate in limited circumstances. To request to file Form I-130 at the U.S. Embassy in Bangkok, please visit the Embassy's website. Now, those limited circumstances truly are limited. It's my understanding of direct consular filings that they really are only done in sort of cases which require expedited action. I mean, we're talking major issues, life-changing issues, emergency issues, etc. This is a big departure from what we've been used to here in Thailand, having a USCIS office. And with this office closing, a major benefit to Americans resident in Thailand in the form of being able to file an I-130, a petition for a marriage visa to the United States for one's presumably Thai spouse, although third country nationals could file here so long as the American citizen met the residence requirements in order to file here in the kingdom. So in the past, that benefit existed. And that could result in an I-130 taking a matter of months as opposed to multiple months, over a year, sometimes a year and a half in similar cases, simply because the caseload here was lower and there were just less logistical obstacles that had to be overcome in getting that case processed. Most notably, just geographic distance. In filing in the USCIS office here in Bangkok, you simply filed on one side of the street, and once they were done with the case and had presumably approved it, they moved it across the street to the embassy, to the consular section of the U.S. Embassy. It literally went across the street, as opposed to the geographic distance that has to be traversed of these petitions when they're going from, for example, the USCIS lockbox in Dallas over to the National Visa Center in New Hampshire, and then finally on to an embassy or consulate abroad. So as a practical matter, these locally filed I-130s were a major benefit to American citizens who had spouses and were residing here in the kingdom. That benefit is gone with the closure of USCIS. I don't think it's particularly prudent, nor do I think it's warranted to presume that the embassy is going to undertake those cases at nearly the level that USCIS Bangkok was processing them. Because quite frankly, that's not their function. DHS, specifically USCIS, has to adjudicate a petition before the matter is brought before Department of State. So I think unless you've got a major emergency or some other extenuating circumstance, it's simply not going to be possible to go ahead and file the type of cases at the U.S. Embassy locally, what are called direct consular filings. I don't think that's going to be possible on the level or in the caseload level that we had seen when USCIS Bangkok was operational here in Thailand. We hope you found this video insightful. For those of you who are interested, we're trying to make videos to provide up-to-date information as soon as this information comes out. And for that reason, it may be a good idea to go ahead and click the bell button, the bell icon below, to go ahead and be updated as these videos come out, as you can go ahead and be apprised of the legal situation as it evolves.